Okay, hello everybody. Today I'm doing my first unboxing video, and today we have the brand new Apple Magic keyboards inside here, and it's new for 2020, I'm pretty sure. So how about we just open it up and see what's in there. Try my best not to take too long to open this. I suck at opening these. Alright. Here's the Apple iPad Magic Keyboard. Now this is for the 11-inch iPad Pro 2020. And it costs $300 for the 11-inch iPad Pro and $350 for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. So here's the back of it. Front. Nice little pull tab here. Oh, that kind of failed, but whatever. Just kind of open that. Put that to the side. Ready? Go. Just let that go. Ooh, it's quite nice. That piece of plastic just comes off. That goes there and that kind of moves, right? You have your famous design by Apple in California. There we go. Magic keyboard. Just a bunch of stuff there. Magic keyboard, quite nice. So, there are magnets in here, so you just plop your iPad right onto that. That's where you can plug in, so you can charge your iPad. And these keys will light up eventually. Got a nice little trackpad there. Now, it does have some weight to it. So, faintly you can see the Apple logo. And you kind of have to open it with two hands because it's locked in that certain position. But that's what I have for you today, the Apple Magic Keyboard. And next video, we'll do an unboxing of the iPad Pro 11-inch for 2020, and I'll show you how that works with the Magic Keyboard. Thank you for watching, and please, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Bye.